Turn quiet moments into something meaningful with the best stitched diamond embroidery rhinestone picture. This creative artwork brings calm to busy days and fills your space with beauty made by your own hands. Every sparkle tells a story of patience, joy and personal pride. Perfect for gifting or decorating your home, this design connects emotion with art and transforms simple time into a rewarding experience that feels special, memorable and truly satisfying for every creative heart. Number 1. 24/36/48 Color Personalized Paint by Numbers Photo. Personalized Paint by Numbers photo canvas brings memories into color and emotion with gentle creative flow. This DIY oil painting portrait connects family children moments through calm hand movement and focused joy. Each section guides feeling without pressure, allowing relaxation, confidence and pride during every session. Time spent here feels meaningful because art grows slowly while stress fades naturally. A custom picture created this way becomes more than decor because it holds laughter, warmth, love and shared history. Gifting such artwork shows care, thought and personal attention that ordinary items never express. Creating beauty from a personal image builds emotional attachment and lasting satisfaction. Home walls feel warmer when familiar faces appear through handcrafted effort. This experience suits quiet evenings, thoughtful weekends and mindful breaks. Creativity here feels simple, rewarding and deeply personal, leaving a sense of achievement, happiness and emotional connection that lasts long after completion. Number 2. GATYZTORY Personalized Photo Custom DIY Painting. GATYZTORY Personalized Photo Custom DIY Painting by Numbers creates an emotional journey where animals' family memories slowly become art. This creative process brings peace through gentle focus and mindful movement. Each painted space allows feelings to flow while daily pressure fades away. Personal images gain new life through color, turning familiar moments into heartfelt wall beauty. Time spent painting feels meaningful because hands shape memories with care and patience. This artwork carries warmth, pride and connection that ordinary decor never gives. Homes feel calmer when personal stories surround living spaces. Gifting such a canvas expresses love, thoughtfulness and deep attention. Creativity here feels easy, comforting and rewarding for beginners and dreamers alike. Completing this picture builds confidence, joy and satisfaction that lasts beyond finishing. Emotional value grows with every painted area, making the final result feel personal, touching and unforgettable for anyone who cherishes meaningful creativity. Number 3. RUOPOTY 24/36/48 Painting by Number Kits. RUOPOTY 24/36/48 Painting by Number Kits turn a couple photo into a deeply emotional creation filled with love and togetherness. This artistic journey feels calm, soothing and personal as hands slowly bring shared memories to life. Every painted space reflects affection, patience and silent bonding. Time spent here becomes meaningful because creativity replaces noise and stress. A customized picture created through this process holds emotional depth that store-bought decor never offers. Walls gain warmth when personal stories appear through hand-painted effort. This experience feels intimate, thoughtful and rewarding for anyone who values connection. Gifting such art expresses devotion, care and lasting feeling without words. The process builds pride, confidence and happiness while celebrating relationships. Each completed section strengthens emotional attachment and satisfaction. This artwork becomes a reminder of moments shared, smiles remembered and love preserved through mindful creativity that continues to touch hearts every day. Number 4. RUOPOTY DIY Diamond Painting Photo. RUOPOTY DIY Diamond Painting Photo Custom Cross-Stitch Diamond Embroidery creates a peaceful creative escape filled with sparkle and emotion. Personal images slowly transform into shining artwork that feels alive and meaningful. Each rhinestone placed by hand brings focus, calm and inner joy while daily stress gently fades. This artistic process connects patience with satisfaction, making time feel valuable and rewarding. Memories gain brilliance through light reflection, creating a powerful emotional bond with the finished picture. Home spaces feel warmer when personal stories glow on the wall. Crafting such art feels meditative, uplifting and deeply personal even without prior experience. Gifting this creation shows care, devotion and thoughtful effort that words cannot replace. Pride grows as the image becomes clearer and more beautiful with every step. This handmade art holds feeling, memory and creativity together, forming a lasting reminder of love moments and mindful dedication that continues to inspire happiness every day. Number 5. CHENISTORY DIY Diamond Painting Photo. CHENISTORY DIY Diamond Painting Photo. Custom cross-stitch diamond embroidery rhinestone picture turns personal memories into a calming artistic ritual. Gentle placement of sparkling pieces creates focus, peace and emotional balance during quiet hours. A familiar image slowly gains brilliance, bringing comfort, satisfaction and creative pride. This mindful activity allows stress to fade while patience grows naturally through steady hand movement. Personal artwork formed this way feels deeply meaningful because time, care and emotion shape every detail. Living spaces gain warmth when handmade beauty reflects treasured moments. Creating such art feels soothing even for beginners because the process guides attention without pressure. Thoughtful gifting of this creation expresses love, effort and lasting connection beyond ordinary presents. Each completed area builds confidence, joy and inner calm. Emotional attachment strengthens as the picture becomes clearer, brighter and more personal. This handcrafted result carries memory, creativity and heart together, forming a glowing reminder of moments worth keeping close every single day.